Alrighty, what's good, y'all? So today's gonna be another short one. Why is this here? Um, so today I'm gonna try to knock out those two short things. So I think they're both in my to-do examples, and then I want to go to here, and then to-do. So this is one of the things I want to do, but I also want to create a solid mode for the 2012. Oops. 2012 to indicate a mounted state. Reason being is I think it's kind of annoying to have it fade on mount. Because mount is just like, hey, we're actively working. So that means we need to go to source, and then we need to go to WS 2012, and we need to make another pattern. So what was the header should be this, but do we return anything? No. Okay. So pattern, what do I want to name it? Pattern solid. Right? I don't want this. I also don't need this. Is there anything else that I left? Now we're cooling. I also don't need this because it clearly says this in the switch case statement. So now what we'll do is I want to expected semicolon after expression. Bro, what? Oh, it's because it doesn't know that this exists because I included in one of those files. Okay, so length is the length of that. So I want to say no, actually I don't want to do that because this is assuming one LED, or actually let's just do like this, and then leave a note. All of these are assuming a single LED. Okay, cool. Oh wait, I didn't know that actually gets rid of a line. Okay, so now we can come over here and it will pretty much be a switch case statement. Switch, and then I want to say the switch of what did I name it? Current status. And we have mounted, unmounted, and suspended. Okay, mounted, unmounted, suspended. But in reality, at least for my use case right now, it will only be when it's mounted. But that's a later thing. So we want to put pixel we want to put actually no, we should just put the current color. Actually, this is dumb simple, I think. We put the pixel of current color because we don't need to increase it at all, right? And that should give us that. Is that it? We also need to add it in here. Pattern solid. And then solid. Oh yeah, we also need to add another function called WS2812 change mode and val. Corresponds to the index of the mode, right? So currently 0 will be pattern fade, but that also means we need static int current mode will equal 0. So then we could say we need to check it as well. Default is going to be unmounted, or we could just break. Yeah, let's break. Can we get the link to this? Yeah, I think we can, because these will be the same size. So we can just say actually no, because we'll have to manually change this anyway, so it doesn't matter. So we can switch case this again. Case where it's 0. Actually no. We do want to get this. I'm just gonna put this down here so I can see it. So we want to say int size equals size of pattern table divided by the size of pattern table at the 0th index. And then we say if val is less than or equal to size. Wait, no, because this will return 2. And it's an array, so it needs to be less than. If val is less than size, then we set what I named the variable current mode. Easy as that. And otherwise we don't do anything. Okay. And then this needs to go on the outside. So speed is 12. And then I think that's it. So we also need to say that this pattern selector is just going to be the current mode. I think that's it. So let's go over there. And then, are we on? Yes, we are. Yeah, so let's go ahead and try to build it real quick. See if it gives me any errors. If not, go ahead and throw it in main and see if it works. Pattern table 108. Oh, right, because pattern table doesn't exist at this point. But since there's a structure, I should be able to just throw it below, right? Really showing cool. Awesome. So then we can go to main and we can say, hey, when we're mounted, or no, when we change, just, yeah, we might as well. We don't need to calculate that, but it's going to be a fast calculation anyway, I think. So it doesn't really matter. We want to change the status, and when it's mounted, 12, change the mode to what? To 1. And then the rest are going to be this, except 0. Wait, no, not this one. When it's suspended, yes. When it's unmounted, yes. But when it's resumed, we want to set it back to 1. All right, we're cooling. Let's get this. Oops. Application, Pico, example, CD. Wait, no. I want to go to build. And then EPAD. And then we're going to sudo fdisk L, sudo mount, SDH1, USB, sudo copy. It's still called source, right? Oh, I'm not on the right thing. sudo copy source cf2. All right, let's see how that's going. Awesome. Although I will say it does need to be probably a little bit brighter, but I'm liking where it's at right now. So for solid, we'll do like times 3, some slate. And then while we're here, we can also work on the second thing that I was going to do today. Target link libraries. Source add executable. I want to call it keypad. I don't know why I just didn't do this at first. Source. And that should give us the right thing. I think. Oh. Oh, do I need to do it here too? Where is this? 28. Example auto sets. Oh, I'm missing this one. There we are. Sudo fdisk sudo mount SDI1 speed, go to build, and then thingy source. Oops. Okay, so the binary changed, but I think we need to change the subdirectory too. No, I kind of want it just to be in the main thing though. We'll see how we can do that too. Sudo copy ef2 to ESV. There we go. Brightness is about the same. Okay, cool. So for add executable, add subdirectory. Oh, I don't want this actually. Oops. Add subdirectory. Because this then creates another directory. But I don't want it to. Make it. Then I guess that's fine. But okay, let's name this keypad. And then, no, I think it'll be fine. I'm thinking too much about the naming. So let's build again. Uh-oh. Oh. Because the subdirectory is... Oh. I don't really want to name it like that, though. I guess it's gonna have to be fine with how it is, because I like this structure. Yeah, that's whatever. Oops. Did I even do anything? So we are in build, and then sudo fdisk l sudo mount sdj1 sudo, oh wait, no, source sudo copy, and then that gives me what I want. And here we are. Gives me that. Maybe change this to something. I don't know. I like that it's a word though. 404. Okay. That's good for now. Yeah, that's good for today. I'll start building the matrix tomorrow, because then I'll have more time and I'll have to go to work tomorrow. And then we'll start working on, well, it's not a matrix, but we'll start working on getting that function down for checking for key input. Maybe get some debouncing in there, whatnot. Actually, since I'm here, let me update the to-do first. Now get key reading working. Button read with this function, and then also make sure there is some form of debouncing. And then we should split this up. So build the things on a breadboard, or build the makeshift breadboard. Manual, don't have buttons. Oh yeah, I also need to buy an encoder. What else? What else? Okay. I think that's all. We can get rid of this one. Yeah, status. Yeah, so message. We added solid pattern to WS312 and changed binary file name. Simple. All right, cool.